Hello today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you just jump starter here. This is the Povasee jump starter with 2000 ampere P car jump starter here on the scene. It's a 12-volt jump starter battery pack and it can start in your engine, which comes in gasoline style up to 8 liter, or in diesel style up to 6.5 liter. It's an engine battery jump box with 3-inch LCD display. It's also usable as a power bank, and it comes with dual output for USB. And it comes with a torch light, LED light here. Povasee battery composition is the lithium polymer. The battery capacity is 20,000 milliampere hours. And it comes with 2000 ampere jump starter beast. The Povasee 2000 ampere jump starter can jump start 8 liter gas or 6.5 liter diesel engine easy in seconds. A 20 jump box up to 60 times jump start on a single charge. No more struggling with dead batteries. An A20 jump starter suit for our 12-volt vehicle. Trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs or tractors, ATVs, UTVs and lawn owners. And it comes with a newly upgraded 3-inch LED display. Compared to traditional portable jump starters with only indication lights, the Povasee A20 jump starter battery pack equipped with a visual 3 inches LED clear display. Just remain the power and working status. We never have to guess the exact amount of power left. The A20 jump box is our guardian angel during a roadside crisis. And this jump starter power bank and LED flashlight in one device. That means the A20 jump starter pack can also be used as a 74 watt-hour power bank with 2 USB outputs. That is QC 3.0 output, 2 times 5 up to 12 volts. 75% faster than standard chargers. Oh, that's cool. To charge our smartphone or our USB device at the same time. The 600 lumen built-in light-emitted diode torch comes with 3 modes: flashlight, strobe, and SOS. It makes a great warning beacon if we become stuck at the side of the road, for example. And if you're an ultra-safe jump starter, the Povasee jump starter has 10 protection systems built in: reverse polarity, reverse charge, over discharge, reverse connection, short circuit, overcharge, overcurrent, overheat, and spark resistance. The A20 jump starter pack for car batteries ensures safety during using, and the jump pack can work in -22 degrees Fahrenheit up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, even in any weather and extreme weather conditions. Povasee design, heritage, innovation. Povasee has been specialized in the development and production of various types of lithium batteries for over 10 years. They are committed to provide the safest, most economical and convenient security for people who drive cars. It combines power, intelligence, safety, and portability, and it can help us at any time. We come on with Povasee. Power, safety, portability. Every motorist can benefit from having a Povasee jump starter out there. 2000 ampere peak current. These are 20,000 milliampere. 12 volts, 8 liter gas, 6.5 liter diesel. No prob for this device. And it comes with an input, Type-C input, with 5 volt, 9 volt, and 12 volts. So you can recharge your Povasee power pack easily by using a USB-C to USB-C cable. We have output number 1. You 5 volt, 2.4 ampere. We have output 2. USB out 2 is QC 3.0. 5 volt, 3 ampere. 9 volt, 2 ampere. 12 volt, 1.5 ampere. So you can reload, recharge immediately as an ease. Overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, over voltage protection, overcharge protection, over discharge protection, reverse polarity, spark resistant, overheat, reverse connection, extreme temperature. Everything is possible, which is secured. The battery jump starter and an emergency torch, flashlight, strobe, and SOS, and a visible LED screen to see what's going on. Easy peasy with that jump starter. We connect it to our plus pole and to our negative pole with the black clamp and the positive pole with the red clamp. And after this process, we can go into the car and start the engine. If the engine will be started, we can go to the jump starter and remove the clamps from the car. Then, of course, you have to look why the battery was dead. Maybe it was a light which you had forgotten 1 or 2 days before to switch off, or maybe there is a problem with your car. But for an instant drive thing, you can use such a power pack here, like this Povasee jump starter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.